Hi everyone, this is Richard. In this video we are going to go over loops, the while and do while loops. Before we did for loops, and that was when you knew the number of times you wanted to loop. So I want to eat 3 times a day, I loop through the eating process 3 times a day. The while loop is a conditional loop. So as long as a certain condition is met, that's when you use while. For example, if I don't eat because of schedule, because I eat because of I'm hungry. So while I am hungry, I'll shove the food in my mouth and as soon as I am not hungry, then I stop the eating. Whereas a for loop, you eat according to 3 times a day or however many times you loop through. So that's the difference between the two. So once you loop through everything in a for loop, once you hit the end, you're done. Using a while loop until that condition is met, you loop all the way through. And the syntax is very simple. While, and then there's a condition, and then there is the do something brackets, okay? So let's just say, for example, int age equals 1, and while age is less than 20, print you are age years old. Okay. There's a problem. Okay, so while age is equal to 1, age is less than 20, age is never not less than 20, right? There's a problem right here. So you can say age equals age plus 1 right here, okay? So remember, again, lexical scope rules. This can read the outside, so you don't want to redeclare it because then you'll go through the end of loop all over again. But you want to use the already declared variable because it was declared outside, then you can actually reassign the value. So age equals plus 1. How else can you write this? Okay, you can also write this age plus plus, remember? Remember I plus plus, so age plus 1, okay? So it'll print all the way up until you are 19 years old. What if we put age less than or equal to, okay? Then it would go all the way to 20 years old, right? So as long as this is true, you will keep printing. As soon as it hits false, you're no longer printing itself. Okay? So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. It's just conditional. There's something called a do while. Basically, do a while and versus a while. Let me see here. Try to talk and type at the same time. Basically, the do while as opposed to the while, it's just the same in my mind as like I plus plus, whoops, plus plus and plus plus I. Okay, so it's pretty much the same thing. So the do, what am I doing? The while is with this condition, do this. The do is do this condition and check this. Okay, so go through this thing, and if this thing does not work, if this thing is false after the fact, then stop. Whereas while is if this is true or false after the fact, before the fact. Excuse me. I think that's pretty clear. So what I'm saying is that just go ahead and do this the first time around. If this is true, keep doing it. If this is false, stop doing it. So it should pretty much give us the same values itself. It's just, again, a matter of where you're going to go in front or behind. Okay? So that's the do while itself. We'll be using those more in the future when we're actually starting to do some problem solving, which hopefully won't be too far away from now. Thank you for watching.